Hi, I'm your friends. This is Roblox Studio, and let's say we have such a stairs, but it can be a situation when the stairs are too big or too high, and for the player it's a little bit like difficult to climb the stairs. Something like this. We will create a part. Let's move it here, and let's change it scale to move it, to make it higher, as wide as stairs, and thin. Pretty thin. Let's move it a little bit closer to stairs, and let us rotate a little bit this plane. Move it to put it exactly over the stairs, just to cover the stairs. And now let's make it transparent. So we have new part, properties, and let's find transparency and increase it until 1. Okay, now it's not visible, but it exists, and let's see. It's our player. I think it's nice. Okay, so player run the stairs very easily. Okay, thank you.